How to use Copilot in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Copilot in Outlook is a virtual assistant powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. To activate Copilot in Outlook, you will just need to purchase the required Microsoft subscription and install the supported app. Install the new Outlook and create an account using the same email address as your Copilot subscription. Now you can open up a new tab and head over to outlook.live.com, sign into your account and start using Copilot. Currently, Outlook Copilot has three key features: summarize email, draft email, and improve emails. When a lengthy and intricate email gets in your inbox, Copilot steps in to analyze the content, extract the key point, and present them in brief summary. You can also use Copilot to draft your email. In the new Outlook or web, click on Home, then select New Mail. Click the Draft with Copilot link in the email body. In the Copilot box, type your prompt or outline the key point for the email. Optionally, click on the Generate option. From there, you can tailor your desired tone and length. Once ready, hit Generate and Copilot will craft a message for you. When you're writing an important message and want to hit the right tones, Copilot will help you with the suggestions on how to improve the email's tone, clarity, and reader sentiment. You can also communicate with Copilot directly using a chat. In the chat box, simply type your request, and in this way you can use Copilot in Outlook. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.